This tutorial will show you how to use the coding website CodeHS.com. To begin, you will go to that exact website, CodeHS.com, as you can see right here. You'll want to sign up for an account. It is free, and sign in as a teacher. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with a screen like you'll see right here. So you'll notice that you're actually currently looking at the student view. You can change it over to the teacher view. We'll wait on that and just begin here in the student view. So to start, you will click on either the play button here or the words next to it, Introduction to Programming with Carol. Then you will click on the button Let's Go, and you'll be presented with a video. Now, I highly recommend you watch this video. In fact, if you don't watch this video, you may be lost to start out here. So go ahead and watch this video. I am going to skip through it right now. Next, you'll be presented with a quiz question to check for understanding. Now, this is based on the video that you just watched. So I've already answered this in a prior time when I've done this. So the answer here is move, like that. And I clicked on check answer here, and it gave me the response great. So I know that I got it correct. We'll click on continue. Now you'll look at an example code here and just get a feel for it, essentially. So the code is already in here in the code editor in the middle. Now it's going to make this dog Carol move and do something. So we'll click on run code. See, the dog moved, it put down a ball, and then it moved a couple more spots, and there we go. Nice job, continue. You can also click on continue right here. Now we'll be presented with a challenge where we'll actually have to do coding ourselves. So we'll click on Let's Go, and now we see there is a blank screen here in the editor, and you'll see there's a scene over here with Carol the dog. So what we need to do is actually make Carol go to the ball and take it. This is shown right here. Move Carol to the ball and take it. Now, to do this, we're going to have to put in the code in the middle editor here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 slots that Carol needs to move, and then the dog needs to actually take the ball. So in the bottom left here, you'll notice there are different commands. Remember to copy and paste when at all possible in coding. So we're going to copy move, hit enter, do it again, again, and again for a total of 4 moves. Then we will copy take ball, paste it in there, and we will click on run code right here, try it out. All right, it says nice job, you got it. So we did that correctly. And now you click on submit and continue. It gives you a few more items right here that tells you that you did things correctly. And again, click on submit and continue. And then you'll move on to the next lesson. So I'm not going to go through all of these lessons here, but you'll notice on the bottom of the screen there's a total of 15 lessons, and by the time you're done with all 15, you'll have a firm grasp of how to use CodeHS.com to code. So once you finish this, there's some additional things you can do. I would first start by clicking on Sandbox. So now in Sandbox mode, you can actually create a new program of your own. So once you have gone through all of the tutorials to learn how to do this, this should be quite easy for you to create a brand new program, or for your students to create a brand new program. Now, as a teacher, another thing you can do is we'll click back here to go back to the main home page, and now you'll notice that it says teacher, the teacher view. So in the teacher view, you can do multiple things. You can name a section and add it, and things like that, and you can kind of see some details right here. So I challenge you, once you've gone through it and learned how to code on the student side, to either try the Sandbox or log in as the teacher here and check out some of those features. As you can see, there's actually Jeremy from CodeHS has given us some instructions here. We'll ignore that. So give this a try.